It took for a short time, yet GMC and Cadillac's elite on the 420 torque truck engine is finished. Accessible just in the new Tahoe RST and supported by a 10-speed programmed, the 6.2-liter V8 makes this the speediest Tahoe ever, with Chevy guaranteeing 0-60 out of 5.7 seconds. That being stated, the tires are useful for just 130 miles per hour and the limiter is lower than that, so despite everything you can't surpass a 5.3 controlled PPV. The Rally Street Truck bundle for the Tahoe or Suburban is just a beauty care products package, including haggles, with power outage and shading coordinated trim supplanting chrome, new grille and identifications, and Dlarailnza HLP 285/45R22 110H tires on the one-of-a-kind wheels. We like the unobtrusive changes, which aren't exhausted, however to every her own. The RST bundle is accessible on 2WD or 4WD models, and none of the mechanical alternatives influence the tow evaluations, which are more prominent than 8,000 pounds. Discretionary on the Tahoe, however not the Suburban, is the 6.2-liter motor bundle. For a sensible $2,800, it includes the 420-pull motor with 460 pound-feet of torque, the 10-speed programmed 3.23:1 apparatuses, incorporated trailer brake control, 2-speed dynamic exchange case on 4WD, major alternator, and most vital, attractive ride control damping with an execution tilt. You can likewise get Brembo-provided 16.1-inch front brakes with 6-cylinder calipers for $2,795, which are additionally offered on the 2018 Yukon Denali, and a Borla deplete Chevy says includes 710 race wheel drive and 28% more stream. At certain throttle settings it includes around 28% more commotion, as well. Mallet the gas and the 6.2 roars, propelling the Tahoe forward with scarcely a twitter, in 2WD. The sub-6 second 0 to 60 miles per hour time feels altogether conceivable, however when at that enchantment number we pondered what will I do with the other 8 riggings. It's possible you can utilize any of 7 riggings at most street speeds, and the movements are snappy and clean in any case. What number of interims are skipped, so the ostensible 1,500 revs between crest pull and pinnacle torque are to a great extent superfluous. EPA city evaluations drop by 2 from the 5.3, yet expressway numbers are indistinguishable, and our own demonstrated 21 against EPA's 22 assess.